Good morning, everybody. My name is Richard Eberhardt. I am a paramedic instructor. Today we're going to be going over the circulatory system. And let me just be upfront. I am a paramedic instructor. I am not an artist. So we're going to do this very simply. Going to try to put it into a category that you're going to be able to draw back on as your education goes on. Now, we're going over the basic circulation of blood through the heart, through the circulatory system, and this should be a review. You're in paramedic school, you should have learned this when you were in EMT basic, advanced on it, when you went to EMTA, and now that you're in paramedic school, we're actually going to grow on it even more. We're going to go back to the very basics. We're going to start at the very simple beginning of the circulatory system, and we're going to grow on that. We're going to review how this is going to get better and better as your education progresses. So very simply, I want everybody to get out your pen and paper, and we're going to be very simple as we start out. We're going to start out with a simple box. Okay, so I want you to follow this. When we make a simple box, we're going to divide this in half and then divide this in half again. So what is this? This is 4. This is equal parts 4. So this is how many chambers are in the heart? You're correct. There are 4. So we're going to start with how blood enters the heart. Blood comes through veins. Veins carry deoxygenated blood most of the time. So as this blood comes in, it's coming below the heart. That is inferior. It's going to come from above the heart. That is superior. They're going to come together and they're going to drop blood into the right atrium. Okay, so we're going back to the very basics. When you talk about your patient's heart and what is right, if you're looking at it, this is my left. So I'm looking at the left side? No. Everything is associated with the patient. So we're back to the patient's right side. So blood enters through the right atrium. There's a valve that separates these two. Out beside this, I want you to write tri. Okay? Just a little simple. We're going to have tri out there. So blood goes into the right atrium through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. Very simple. Remember what I said about veins carry deoxygenated blood? All right, here's the trick. Talking about the heart, everything is backwards.